have you seen these new Makita screw bit cases? They are gold, impact gold screw bits, Phillips heads. Apparently they're 10 times stronger, and they're actually in a nice little case. I'll open it up. The case is in the shape of a Makita battery. I thought it was pretty cool. Open it back up. Nice. Got your bits like that. Come with the bits. This was $24.99, $24.95, 25 bucks. There they are. So I'll crack these open. Now apparently they're 10 times stronger than their non-gold counterpart, I suppose you could say. And Yuji said they haven't been that great when he's used them in the past, but I mean that was probably some years ago. And they might have changed since then. Oh, that flips up, right? You don't even really need to take these out. I mean, they're just fine in this little packet anyway. They just go like that. Going sideways like that. Pretty cool. I don't think I've used these gold bits myself actually. So I can't really comment on them, but I'll put one in my impact driver now and I'll start to use it and see how they go. Yeah, we've got all of them in there. Pretty cool. I like it. Do you need it? No, you don't. Alright, and they just sit like that. Close that up. I wonder if you can plug them into anything. No. They don't plug in, so definitely just for show. Can't charge them up. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. Nice little case. Push this here. I bought it a couple weeks ago and I just thought I'd show you guys. Might make a nice little gift for someone. Maybe they're not available in your area. Anyway, I'll catch you next time. Wait. Let's pop one out. Get rid of this. This one was a Kanga one. Lasted me alright, but I don't need that no more. Because I got these 10 times stronger, they say. Nice.